Withdrawing money from DoorDash to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the transaction successfully. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section will display your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw or cash out. Tap on this option to begin the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. You can usually choose between instant transfer to your bank account or a standard transfer, which may take longer. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Ensure that all details are correct before submitting your request. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to confirm the transaction has been processed.